Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Mona figure is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for fans of Genshin Impact, captivating enthusiasts with its intricate design and faithful representation of the beloved character. This figure isn't just a static display piece, it's a testament to the artistry and dedication poured into bringing the world of Teyvat to life, making it a centerpiece for any serious collector's display. Its popularity stems from Mona's unique hydro abilities and her enigmatic personality, both of which are expertly captured in this stunning rendition, promising to be a conversation starter and a cherished item for years to come. Number 5. Max Factory Genshin Impact Mona Figma Action Figure. From the world of Genshin Impact, a new Figma joins the collection. Get ready to bring the enigmatic Mona into your display. This figure comes with 3 interchangeable faceplates, allowing you to capture her glaring, surprised, or anguished expressions. Pose her in any dramatic scene you can imagine. Equip her with her catalyst, the Skyward Atlas, which can be displayed in either its opened or closed state. She also includes an astrology effect sheet and her signature mirror reflection of doom effect. No detail is overlooked, as she even comes with her iconic wallet. This figure is a must-have for any fan of Genshin Impact. This import from Max Factory is a stunning representation of the character. Add this highly articulated action figure to your collection today. What we like. This figure brings the popular Genshin Impact character to life with incredible detail. It includes multiple face plates for dynamic posing and a range of accessories like her signature catalyst and astrology effects. If you're a fan of Genshin Impact and love detailed collectibles, this is a must-have for your display. What people say. It has a great paint job, cool articulation, and feels perfect in hand. The figure also includes interchangeable hands and faces, which is a very cool bonus. The quality of the figure is on par with what you'd expect from Good Smile. The paint job is wonderfully done and very detailed. The articulation was a little stiff at first, but that's good for maintaining poses, I suppose. It's very sturdy and the articulation is amazing. This is my very first Figma too, smiley face. The detail is very intricate, which is what I admire about this Figma. Number 4. Genshin Impact Astral Reflection Mona 1:7 Scale Figure. From the hit open-world RPG, Genshin Impact, comes this stunning 1:7 scale figure. It captures the essence of the Astral Reflection Mona. This exquisite piece is an import from Wonderful Works. It's a must-have for any fan of the game. Her signature fighting style has been meticulously recreated in this figure. Every detail reflects her dynamic presence. She comes adorned with carefully detailed, star-themed accessories. These elements enhance her magical aura. The figure also features a captivating water effect at her feet. This adds a dynamic and fluid feel to the display. Don't miss the chance to add this incredible figure to your Genshin Impact collection. She's a true testament to the game's artistry. What we like. This is a stunning 1:7 scale PVC figure that captures the essence of the character's unique fighting style. The intricate star-themed accessories and the dynamic water effect at her feet make it a standout piece. If you appreciate high-quality sculpting and a visually striking presentation, this figure is an excellent choice. What people say. A very high-quality figurine. The figure itself is flawless, absolutely stunning in every way. Number 3. Signature Fitness Wall-Mounted Fold-In Power Cage. Introducing the Signature Fitness Wall-Mounted Fold-In Power Cage, the ultimate solution for your home gym. It's designed to maximize your workout space without compromising on functionality. This power cage features a unique fold-in design, allowing it to collapse neatly against your wall. This innovative feature saves valuable space, making it perfect for any home gym environment. Constructed with robust 3x3 gauge steel, it offers exceptional stability and durability. It's engineered to support up to 1,000 pounds, ensuring it can handle your most demanding workouts. Customize your training with fully adjustable J-hook and safety spotter arm positions. With 47 vertical holes and west-side spacing, it provides the perfect fit for every user and every exercise. Enhance your training versatility with the included adjustable height pull-up bar. This feature adds another dimension to your workouts, allowing for a comprehensive full-body training experience. It comes equipped with UHMW-coated J-hooks, designed to protect your barbell and provide a secure grip during lifts. Train with confidence knowing your equipment is well protected. What we like. This power cage is designed for the ultimate home gym enthusiast who needs to maximize space. It mounts securely to the wall and folds away when not in use, offering unparalleled convenience. If you have limited space but demand a stable and versatile squat rack with adjustable safety features, this is the perfect solution for your training needs. What people say. The small feature on the back of the 3x3 part that wraps around the rack has a sticker behind it with some sort of soft felt so you don't scratch the rack, plus allows for better fitment and adjustability without having to scratch the rack itself. The length size of the arms make much more sense versus the standard longer 24. These measure out to exactly 18.25 inches fully extended out from the rack, with the arms on not counting the arm holder. They have a very nice black matte design and have a green bear emblem on each side which gives a nice touch on my current rack. Number 2. Sanei Boeki Super Mario Diddy Kong figure. Introducing the Diddy Kong figure from the Super Mario official collection. This collectible stands at 2.4 inches tall, bringing your favorite character to life. Experience a highly detailed and realistic reproduction of Diddy Kong from every angle. It's designed to capture the essence of the beloved character. With movable hands, head, and even tail, you can pose this figure in various dynamic ways. It's perfect for display or imaginative play. Place it on your desk as a fun companion or start your collection with this fantastic piece. It's a great addition for any Super Mario fan. This figure can also be combined with other playsets sold separately to further expand your Super Mario world. Collect them all to create exciting new adventures. Measuring just 3.7 by 5.5 by 2.0 inches, this figure is perfectly sized for display. Despite its compact dimensions, it offers big fun for collectors and players alike. What we like. This is a charming and officially licensed figure from the Super Mario universe. Its compact size and movable head, arms, and tail make it perfect for displaying on your desk or shelf. If you're a fan of classic Nintendo characters and want a collectible that's easy to pose and integrate into your workspace, this is a great pick. What people say. The Mona figure is a stunning piece with intricate details that capture the essence of the character perfectly. The paintwork on the Mona figure is exceptionally well done, with smooth gradients and sharp lines that bring it to life. The figure's pose is dynamic and engaging, showcasing the character's personality and power. Number 1. Banpresto Little Nightmares Mono, Ver. B. Figure. From Banpresto, get ready for the newest release from Little Nightmares. This figure brings the iconic character Mono to life. Standing at approximately 8.7 inches tall, it captures Mono in their signature, unforgettable pose. This collectible is a must-have for any fan. Add it to your display and complement your other Banpresto figures. Ensure you're getting the real deal. Look for the Bandai Namco warning label on the box, guaranteeing an officially licensed product. Don't miss out on adding this fantastic piece to your collection. It's a perfect addition for any fan of the series. What we like. This figure captures the character from Little Nightmares in their instantly recognizable pose. Standing at an impressive height, it's a fantastic centerpiece for any fan's collection. If you're looking for an officially licensed, high-quality figure that embodies the eerie atmosphere of the game, this is an ideal addition to your display. What people say. Way bigger and more into detail than I thought, almost like if the characters were real, being there in game size, aka about the size of a water bottle. He looks great. Good quality. He's pretty big. But really nice details. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.